When the image requires lightness, and inside the suit you want to feel free. A girl in a dress with a raincoat from the Carnival factory is created just for this. This is a growth character, thought out to the smallest detail. The eyes of the animator are located at the level of the mascot's eyes. The view is clear. Lightweight and comfortable fit allow you to work without fatigue even in tight schedules. Ventilation is organized through holes in the eye and mouth. The air circulates, and it is not hot inside. The set includes everything you need: head, raincoat, dress, gloves, lush tulle petticoat, pants and shoes with rubberized soles. Stability on any coating is guaranteed. All details are worked out carefully, the seams are reinforced, the materials are wear-resistant. This character will fit perfectly into children's holidays, photo shoots, show programs, and corporate events. Production in Nizhny Novgorod. Each copy undergoes 3-stage quality control of quality control. Production time. From 2 weeks, we ship throughout Russia and more than 160 countries. When ordering from 3 units, individual conditions. To choose an image or calculate the cost for your tasks, leave a request at the contacts below. We work for the result. We sew with care for everyone.